Just outside the Rat Temple here, just outside Bickner, we found some like stalls frying up different things. So we got some, I think they're called kachoris, and got them fresh out of the fryer, and so they look pretty good. It's a cow. Okay, so these are the kachori here. This is one of them, fresh out of the fryer. Real crispy and good, but like super hot. I think we're gonna have to maybe wait a little bit, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a corner here, see if it's any good. Oh, there it is, all stuffed with something. Dal, I think they were saying. So like lentils.
Don't burn yourself.
Oh yeah, really good. Lots of good spices in there and fried fresh hot. Yeah, and really good. And each of these it was 2 for 15 rupees. So like practically free. But, yeah, okay.
I am made to be free.